Alright, so yeah, today I might talk to you a lot about the music industry, innit? How you you might be an artist and you might be thinking about, hey bro, I can't lie, I've been trying to make it, but whatever I do, it's just flopping. I'm here to help. But it got to a point where I was making music just to go viral, which is not the way, bro. Trust me, that no matter what I dropped, I was just trying to go viral. And the more you want it, the more you won't get it. Because, bro, if you want something too much, you won't get it. Okay, cool, you can believe in law of attraction, and I believe in it too, yeah. But if you force something, it just won't happen. Like, no matter what you force, it just won't turn out the way you want it to turn out, innit? You see what I'm saying? But, yeah. So I don't want you lot to go out there and just see, cool, look, say like this big rapper in your town is doing Afro trap or Afro beats or whatever, and he's going viral. Like, whatever he drops is doing numbers. That shouldn't be a sign for you to be like, oh, okay, I'm gonna go studio, get an Afro beat, jump on it, and go viral. This won't happen because like more time, it's got to fit to your style. It's got to fit to your rap style as well, or singing style, whatever. If you think that you can go viral just because the next man is going viral on Afro beats, that's not the way. You got to be sure to find your own style, to find your own route. And once you've done that, and once you can feel like, cool, it's working out for me, that's when you know you've done something and you created something for yourself. And nobody can say, oh, he's copying this guy. Like, bro, you see, when I was doing the lo-fi drill, no one was doing it. It was me and like two others. Shout out Comfy as well. It was just us, and like it went well, but obviously now it's washed. But yeah, that's what I mean. You got to find your own route. You got to find your own lane and stick to it. Just stay true to yourself. Really true. By the way, if you think you can only make it if you're signed to a label, if you got like these mad managers, cap, yeah, I've done like 40-50 million streams independent, no manager, no label, nothing. Me, myself, and I, and like the man them around me, innit? But you don't need a label, trust me. Look at Central Z, bruv. This guy blew. It was him and his manager, yeah? He did not need a label. Cool, you might need a manager every now and then, but I know rappers, yeah, they've got healthy careers. No manager, no label, nothing, yeah? That's what I'm trying to show you, lot. You can't keep relying on others. Like, you got to be like, okay, cool. If I want it, I'll work towards it. I'll do anything I can in my power to achieve my dreams, yeah? You can't rely on these men being like, oh, but I need a label, I need a manager. No, you do not, fam. You lot, hey, I just got done editing my video. There's something I forgot. I remember this must have been like 2022 or 2023, yeah? I spent over 15 bags just on marketing. So like basically, all the money man was getting, so say I got like 4 racks in March, yeah? April, I'd spend all that money just on market, just like on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, on marketing. So all the money I was getting was going straight back into my music, yeah? So like, a thing you can't forget, you got to invest into yourself, really and truly. Like, don't let these people fool you and try and make you think like, oh, you got to sign to this mad label, you got to work with these mad managers. Like, cool, you might need a manager every now and then, but imagine this, yeah, all the songs up until Jog Jog, that was just me and the man then, bro. No label, nothing, no like no rappers backing me, nothing, bro, no support. Like, till this day, bro, I don't really get support like that. You don't really see rappers on Instagram reposting my shit, like, it's mad, but you can do it yourself. Like, don't think you can't do it yourself, because you can. Just keep that in mind. And yeah, I'll see you lot in the next video. Love.